Hey guys, a lot of you have been asking me about this, so stay tuned. Hello guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my videos. I literally post videos every single day. And guys, today we're talking about the 2017 Infiniti Q50 3.0 Turbo rebuilt. And this is a part 2 video, even though I'm not doing anything to it. Basically guys, the video picked up all of a sudden. It was very slow. When I posted it, and then it picked up all of a sudden. Everyone's asking for a part 2, and where is it and what's going on. So guys, the problem is part 2, or actually part 3, because this is part 2 explain what's going on, is not going to be happening for quite a while. Basically guys, I bought another project car, which was a mistake. That way I don't finish my Infiniti, and it's my 1965 Volvo PV. And the PV is taking a big chunk of sum of money to do. So the issue right now is, guys, I got $7,000 more in parts to buy for the Infiniti to complete the rebuild. And I can't start doing more rebuild on it until I get at least the hood and the bumper on it, so we could pull the frame correctly and match how the bumper and fender is going to fit on them. Now, why, you might ask, is this taking so long? First of all, it's finances. I got a lot of projects going on. I got a lot of things that I had to pay off, and just buying parts is expensive. The headlights are going to be expensive, and they're going to be the OEM headlights, nothing crazy. The hood is going to be a little bit more expensive than the OEM. May as well go for the custom hood. And there's going to be custom parts going inside the engine bay as well. And I got to have all of them bought in order for me to complete everything that I plan to do with it. Now, my real carbon fiber fenders has finally arrived. It took like 4 months for them to arrive. Not sure about the hood. I have to buy all that yet. But here's the basic plan. Basically, guys, the Infiniti is taking a while to do because of finances. And it's going to be a while because of my 1965 Volvo project. Basically, the plan is, as soon as I finish the project on the Volvo and my credit cards for that project is paid off, instead of using credit cards, I'll talk it over with my wife, of course, and stuff, and see how my finances are. I'm going to get a loan, a loan as many years as possible for the Infiniti. We'll see. That might not be a good plan. I'll have to rethink it, but I gotta finish the Volvo project first. So unfortunately, guys, the Infiniti project, you're not gonna see for a while until I finish the Volvo project. And Volvo project, I want to say, is pretty much 50% done. You'll find out what's going on with the Volvo project by subscribing to my channel and checking out my 1965 Volvo PV 544 Sport playlist on how I'm rebuilding it. And there you go, guys. That's the answer to all your comments, is where's part 2. This video is part 2. Part 3, hopefully, instead of doing an update, you guys actually going to have some content to watch of me rebuilding that Infiniti.
Not canceled.
Guys, I'm Eddie V.
2004 turn right. This particular package,
Driving a temp in the 6 Series.